In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Now, in case the messages were deleted from your conversation, you can successfully access those chats back with the method I'm about to share with you today. And if you find value, leave a like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming recovery videos. With that being said, let's begin. Now, the first method for you to see your deleted WhatsApp messages, you need to go ahead and open your phone settings. Now here under settings, scroll down and select notifications. Now here under notifications, you select notification history. Now what notification history does, it tracks everything that you're doing on your phone. And for you to see all your history, you need first to turn on the notification history. As you can see, mine is already turned on. Now since our interest here is to see deleted WhatsApp messages, now you need to scroll down to the bottom till you find last 24 hours. Now here under last 24 hours, you select WhatsApp. Now click on that down arrow. Now here guys, you'll be able to see all your deleted WhatsApp messages. As you can see, these were all my deleted WhatsApp messages. Now the second method for you to see your deleted WhatsApp messages, you need to go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Then head over to settings, then select chats as you can see. Now here under chats, you select chat backup. Now if you had a backup before the chat was deleted, you can easily see the messages that you're looking for by clicking on backup now. Now to ensure that you always backup your messages, you need to click on automatic backups and choose whether to backup daily, weekly, or monthly. So with those two methods, you can easily see your deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you find value in this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.